Okay guys, I really don't know where the spark plug is located. Seriously, do you guys know? Oh no.
A spark plug is in charge of igniting the combustion engine and to make sure that your engine runs smoothly. It is good to change your spark plug every 30,000 to 40,000 kilometers.
First of all, you would need a spark plug, long nose plier, a spark plug removal tool, marker pen, masking tape to label, and last but not least, gloves. So, let's hit it!
Make sure the engine is cooled down. Best to leave the car in the shade for a few hours before starting this DIY. Identify the location of the spark plugs. Most important thing to remember is the sequence of the cables going into the spark plug. Best to label them with a masking tape and write the sequence number on it. Remove the screws holding the coil pack. Carefully pull the coil pack up. Loosen the spark plug using spark plug removal tool. Be mindful of the direction. Counterclockwise is to loosen it. Make sure there are no foreign residue around the top that will drop into the compression chamber. Remove the spark plug. Using the spark plug removal tool, the spark plug should just come out with it. Else, we can use a long nose plier. Replace the new spark plugs. Install back all the ignition cables and we are done.
Okay, crank it up.
Aha! Good job, Jasmine!
Of course.
We have heard so many stories about how a tiny piece of enamel from this spark plug can break a glass.
Let's put it to the test.
Okay. Good one. Good one.
Wow. Maybe I should keep some in my bag for safety.
One more time.
No, the sliver thing is for sandy pieces.
Cut. Okay, good take. Good take.